Now, what is a web hosting? Domain name is one, hosting is another thing. Hosting is an internet service, or web hosting is an internet service that allows you to store your website on a server and make it accessible through the World Wide Web, which is www. Now, if you want to know what a server is a type of computer that is on 24/7, like 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. It's a computer that never goes off. It is not the regular computer that I'm using right now, or the one you have at home, no, or in your office, no. It's a huge computer that can, I don't know, very, you should, if you want to know more about it, you could just Google it and go to images and you see what I'm talking about. They're usually very huge, especially those providing hosting services. Okay, so that is that for hosting. Not plenty talk there, but if you look at this image, you understand what you get when you have a web host. Web hosting helps you to keep your website and gives you access to web building tools. If you want to have a professional email, your name.yourdomainname.com, you can have that when you have a web host. You can upload files to your website, and you can, store things in your database and all of that stuff. There are a lot more things you could do once you have a web host, but these are just the basics.